Hello everyone, I'm Deborah and welcome back to my channel and to another segment of Get Well With Me Healthy Hair. Thanks for joining me. Now today's video is going to be an unboxing of some hair care products that I purchased from a company called Belle Bar Organics. So before we get into this unboxing and I show you what I purchased, let me just give you some background on this company. Now Belle Bar Organics was founded by three African American women. One, Annette Bell, who's the mom, and her two daughters, Tiana and Solange. The reason why they founded this company is to give women of color natural hair care alternatives that will cater to our very unique, beautiful, but somewhat challenging hair care needs. And you all know our hair is different one from the other, and it can definitely be a challenge to maintain. So these women founded this company. They did a lot of research and they have come up with individual products and packaged products to cater to our specific needs. Now guys, their site is also jammed packed with informative information from hair care products, ingredients, your hair care techniques, etc. So it is definitely worth your time and energy to go out there to do some research. Guys, I haven't even begun to touch the surface of everything that they have out there. So now for the actual unboxing. This is the box that my products came in. Now, what ended up happening is what I did first is I went out to their site and they will ask you some very specific questions as it pertains to your hair and your hair care needs. And based on your responses, they will make suggestions as far as the products that they feel are best suited for you. And that's exactly what I did. And at the end, I decided to get a group of products that I feel will do exactly what I and Sophia need. And it came in this. And I tell you guys, I am really all about the presentation because to me, I feel like if it's presented well, then someone took the time to make me feel special, like I'm cared for and that I am loved. And this box right here is a demonstration of that. So now for the actual unboxing. This box is beautiful. I just opened the lid and look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Now, my box came with 4 products. It came with 2 teas, it came with an oil, and it came with a butter. So let's start with the teas. It's in here. So it's looking like I got 2 of each. Okay. Now, all of the products that I purchased are supposed to help with moisture retention, reduction of shedding, length retention, and then of course strengthening of the hair as well. Which brings me into the first tea that I have. So this is a green tea strengthening tea rinse. And it is designed to strengthen hair and promote hair growth. And that's what that looks like. And it is also supposed to reduce shedding and also to retain moisture. Everything that I need, guys. The second tea is sea moss. And this is for softening and hydrating. And this is what, oh, this is more of a powder. Okay, and that's what that looks like. And again, this sea moss moisturizing tea rinse is used to moisturize the hair, soothe the scalp, and fortify these hair fibers and enhance the shine. Okay. And then the next thing I am going to show you is the oil. And again, my box came with 2 of these oils. And this is the onion and garlic thickening Ayurvedic herb hair oil. Okay, and that's what that looks like. And this is again for thickening your hair, reducing shedding, and stimulating the hair growth. And again, I got 2 of these. Okay. Turn it so you can see. There you go. All right. And then last in this box is the butter. This is called the Argan Oil Shine and Moisture Hair Butter. And again, I got 2 of these. Oh, there we go. So you can see that. Okay. And this will stimulate scalp circulation and enhance hair growth, and it will strengthen the hair. So guys, this is what came in this box. And also another thing that I want to show you as well is the tissue paper that everything was wrapped so beautifully in. Again, all about the presentation. So these are the products that I have. Again, everything that I need in order to promote growth, okay, to retain the moisture, to retain the length, to strengthen these strands. And hopefully, I am very hopeful that I am going to get all the benefits that these products claim to give. I am going to give it about another week or so before I dive into these products. And the reason being is because I don't know if you guys saw a previous video that I put out, but Sophia, she was drying out. She was just dehydrated, y'all. So I had to give Sophia some TLC, reel some things back, and I just stripped everything down to the bare minimum. But Sophia is doing much better. She has recovered well. So it is time for me to again get into these new products. And again, I am just going to be exclusively using these so I can be able to tell 100% whether or not they are working for me and whether or not Sophia likes them. All right. So be on the lookout for those in the upcoming weeks. So you guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you have already tried out BBO's products, please do leave your comments below and let us all know what you purchased and how you love them. And again, I will be sure to come to you guys in the next coming week, and we'll be doing a how to use and a review on each one of these products. But in the meantime, if you guys enjoy this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Please do share. And if you've not yet become a part of my YouTube family, please do so by pressing that subscribe button below. And remember, guys, to remain safe, healthy, and encouraged. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, and keep pushing those boundaries. And I will see you all real soon on my next I've Got Something to Say too. Thank you all so much for joining.